Okay, we're just gonna pop in quickly. Sheffield Beach, lookout just above Steve's Rock, to discuss the storm damage of 2007, March 2007. It's 10 years now, and I quickly want to show you from here. This is the lookout at Sheffield Beach, just above Steve's Rock. We're looking, if you look behind me, we're looking towards Salt Rock and the rest of Ballito, Thompson's Bay and so on. All those are covered in my videos, so please have a look at those videos and you will see, you'll get all the information you want. We're dealing with the storm that happened in 2007 and it's now March 2017. It's now 10 years since. This section behind me is called the Millionaire's Line. We have lovely mansions here. People can walk down directly to the beach. It's on a cliff, so it's not easily accessible. Even from here where I stand, you have to make an effort, you have to climb over rocks. The beach is not overflown with people. In any case, I want to show you what happened to this beach. This clips with the sand. You will see the beach and you will see what happened during March 2007 with this beach. It's amazing what the ocean can do. So let's go down there and have a look. It was full moon last night, so this morning we obviously expect a fairly low tide and this afternoon a high tide. It's now about 1 o'clock, so the tide is coming in. So you can get a comparison of how high we are above sea level. I think I'm standing here about 10 to 12 meters above sea level. And it's amazing to see this shell material that I've shown you before at Willard Beach at Old House. The same thing happened here. It has also been exposed at this level where I stand. In other words, the sea was hitting quite strongly here and it eroded this part. You can see here the compact shell material that has been deposited before by the sea. Maybe it has been at the sea bottom. I'm not too sure what happened here. We'll need to get archaeologists or somebody to explain this to us. Just wanted to show you how high the sea came up in March 2007. It is just amazing what the sea can do when it actually let loose, you know, when certain factors combine and then suddenly you have very adverse conditions. After 10 years we expected to have covered up, but it hasn't done so yet. But it has been eroded further by the wind and obviously rain and human traffic, because there's a lot of traffic, human traffic going through here. We have a lot of fishermen as well. It's quite busy in that sense. Some photos of 2007 from Christmas Bay, which is just around the corner here from Sheffield Beach. So I quickly want to take you there, just show you briefly what happened there. It's not a long story, but it's also another interesting one, and it's for sake of completeness. Christmas Bay is right at the end of Ballito on the northern side. The town doesn't go further than that at the moment. Maybe it will in the future. So let's just quickly stop here at the parking. I brought my family here during that time because this was probably the best place where my daughter could play. She wanted to play with a bucket on the sand and build sand castles with her daddy. And we came here because there was still quite a bit of sand left on the beach, although the sand was quite dirty. The staircase that went down here, that was built of concrete, was completely washed down. Pieces of it were lying on the beach, so I had to hoist them all down here. It was basically a cliff here just below me. There's still some pieces left here higher up, which I'll show you. Later on it was replaced by this new staircase that is made of gum poles and wood, and that's what we have now. What the impact of another storm like this will be on this, it's hard to say. I suppose they take it one step at a time when this happens. I'll take you to the beach now and I'll show you the staircase, to also show you the erosion that happened here. So here you can see the end where the staircase was. That is the highest or the lowest it goes now. And obviously it has been replaced by these gum poles. We had to come down there all the way to the beach. The next video in this series that I will release will deal with what happened with Salt Rock Hotel and at Salt Rock Beach during that storm of 2007. And if you want to see that, please subscribe to this channel so that you can be informed when it gets released. It was quite interesting there as well. There's still major repercussions, major issues 10 years on, and we'll try to discuss them briefly so that you can have a better idea of that. Salt Rock Hotel has been established before 1930, or in just around about 1930. Just trying to get my camera stable here so I don't wash away. So it was one of the first tourist destinations in Ballito, when Ballito was just a little small village. So it will be interesting to see that. It has an old feeling to it, very authentic. So please subscribe to my channel and I will inform you. Thanks.